Alright guys, since we might be coming up on the apocalypse right now, it's a better time than ever to be gardening, and we're outside in the front yard right now. Dug up some strawberries. I do it every year. I'll have a whole other video on that, but in this one I just want to show you guys my planting technique. And I rarely ever use a trowel. For the most part I use either my whole hand or my 2 fingers. And I'm going to show you how I plant with both hands. And this kind of goes back to my tree planting days. It's a similar technique. So we've got some soft soil here to plant right in here. And with strawberries, I just use 2 fingers. And the idea is I just push my 2 fingers in the ground, and then I guide my root or my plug in the palm of my hand, so my fingers, the tips of my fingers actually go in first. And then that guides it in nice and straight, and then I close the hole. You know, and if they're a bit tangled, it doesn't matter too much. But watch what my right hand does as well. Closing the plug. The other way I do it, and this is if I'm doing, like say you're planting a potted plant with a plug about that big, you use your whole hand, and it's more or less the same thing. It's just putting your whole hand in, moving back a big opening, and then you can put the whole thing in there. So that's that. That's my old school tree planting technique, and I'll see you in the next video.